Hello student, myself Pankaj Kumar and today we will discuss about utility software. So utility software is a system software that perform a specific task related to managing a computer, its devices or its program. So these program assist in the smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Understood? Help it to perform better. Some utility help you to avoid virus attack, take backup of data, recover data that has been accidentally erased. Understood? Erased data we can recover with the help of utility software. Understood? So backup, scanning disk, fragmentation and antivirus software are some example of utility software. So one by one we'll discuss about backup, scanning, disk fragmentation and antivirus software. Okay. Now backup is a system software that allow to get a duplicate copy of the files from computer hard disk to external hard disk of storage media. In other words, we can say this is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Okay, it allows us to copy a file of computer into any external storage device for future use. In case of damage or accidental loss, we can use the data if we get the backup of data. Understood? Now process to backup a hard disk. So here we have some step which we have to follow for backup. Okay, so let's do this. The first step here we have connect the external hard disk with your computer. Right now I don't have hard disk, so I have plugged my pen drive and I will show you what is there in my pen drive. As you can see here I am having only 2 files. Okay, now second step, on the screen click search option available on top right corner of the screen. This is the search option. Just click on this search option. Now according to third step, here we have to write backup, BACK UP. Okay, now as you can see here, save backup copies of your file with file history. Just click on this file history. Okay, now the window came. Here you can see set the file history option on. As you can see here we have the option to turn on, so please turn it on. Here you can see file history is off now, so turn it on. As you can see file history is on now. Okay, now finally click backup now button. The file will start backing up on the external storage device. So I have Windows 8.1, so backup option is not here, but I have different option, run now. First I need to set the drive, select another drive, pen drive, then OK, no. Now you can see here file history is saving copy of your file for the first time. Okay, now it's copying now. Now you can turn it off. Okay, now close this, go back to pen drive. Now you can see here one more file created, that is file history. And as file history, that means you got some backup data. Understood? In your pen drive. This is how you can get the backup. Understood? So today we have studied about utility software. So utility software What is the use of utility software? Utility software perform a specific task usually related to managing a computer, its devices or program. Understood? Now, what is backup? This is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.